Would you buy a foldable phone if it cost almost half the price of a brand new one, but still came with the same level of trust and protection? That is exactly what Samsung is now offering with its Certified Renewed program in the United States. And for the first time, the company has included its foldable Galaxy Z series devices. Starting today, Samsung is officially selling refurbished versions of the Galaxy Z Flip 5 and the Galaxy Z Fold 5 through its online store, and these are not your average second-hand devices. Each unit has been serviced by Samsung specialists using 100% genuine spare parts, fitted with a certified new battery, and backed by a 1-year warranty. On top of that, buyers can also choose to add Samsung Care Plus for even more protection. Let's talk about the prices, because that is where things get really interesting. The Galaxy Z Flip 5 under this program starts at $650 for the 256GB model, and if you want more storage, the 512GB version costs $700. On the other hand, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 starts at $1,169 for the 256GB model, while the 512GB version is priced at $1,219. When you compare this to buying the latest models brand new, the savings are clear. For example, the current Galaxy Z Flip 7 can cost more than $1,100, and the Galaxy Z Fold 7 can go all the way up to $2,000. That means getting last year's models under the Certified Renewed program lets you experience the foldable design and premium features at nearly half the cost of the newest releases. Another key point is trade-in. If you already have an older phone, Samsung lets you trade it in, lowering the price even further and making these foldables much more affordable. This is especially good news for people who want to try a foldable phone for the first time but feel that paying $2,000 is just too much. And the best part is, you're not compromising on peace of mind because Samsung treats these refurbished phones almost like new. Each device goes through checks, gets a brand new battery to ensure you do not suffer from reduced milliampere-hour capacity over time, and every repair uses genuine Samsung parts rather than third-party replacements. With the 1-year warranty included, you are protected just like you would be with a new phone, and the option to add Samsung Care Plus makes it even more secure in case of accidents or damages. This is a smart move by Samsung because foldable phones are still seen as expensive luxury items, and lowering the entry price without cutting corners could bring more people into the foldable world. Imagine being able to try out the Galaxy Z Flip 5's compact clamshell design that flips open into a full-sized smartphone, or the Galaxy Z Fold 5's tablet-like screen that gives you a huge display for gaming, multitasking, or watching movies, all while paying hundreds of dollars less. For anyone who was curious about foldables but held back because of the cost, this program might just be the chance to finally make the switch. So, what do you think? Would you buy a certified renewed Galaxy Z Flip 5 or Galaxy Z Fold 5 instead of paying top dollar for the latest models? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this breakdown of Samsung's new foldable program, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates on the latest tech.